So it is storming outside. We have thunder, and I haven't seen it yet, but I'm guessing we have lightning, we have lots of rain. We're just reinforcing with Churu, choosing to be out. Lucky is about 4 months old. So we're just making this an easier, less scary experience. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. What do you see out there? Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. What do you hear? Good job. So it's pouring. This home has the back patio, the opposite side of the house. Oh, listen to that rain. Good girl, Lucky. What is that? It has a metal roof, and you can hear the rain like thunder on it. It's very, very loud. So we're on the opposite side of the house, where it's not quite as noisy. Good girl. What do you see? Good girl. I like that we're curious about the outside. That's really good. Our tail is in a good position. Good girl, Lucky. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. Oh, good girl. So she's choosing to seek attention as opposed to food. Also food, which is really good. That could be seeking social support. It could be that we're just feeling comfortable in general. But I like that. Our paw is raised and our ears are back a little bit, so we are a little bit unsure, and that's totally okay. She's kind of raised her back end like she wanted to be pet, but I only have 2 hands, so. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. You see that tail raise again. Good girl. Good job. Good girl. Moving closer towards me as there's some thunder rumbling in the distance. But still being happy to take food since I can't as easily offer affection right now. Now this is a hard floor. If I wanted to, I could just put some of the churu on the ground and let her eat and have a hand for affection. But, good girl. Let's go ahead and offer her that. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. Yeah, what was that? Good girl. Did you see some lightning? You did. You're a good girl. Good girl. There we are. Good girl. Whoops. Good girl, Lucky. So we had lightning and thunder there and people walking by. Good job, Lucky. Good girl. Look at you looking outside. What a brave kitten. Good job, little one. Good girl. Good girl. Good job, Lucky. Yeah, what's that out there? Good girl. Oop, oh, you just got churu all over your side. Good girl. Good girl. Good job, Lucky. Oop, there's some that way. Good girl. Yeah, what's that? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. Yeah, good kitten. So again, seeking out social interaction. A little bit more excitement in that tail twitching. Wrapping it around me again, seeking social support. Good girl. Want some more treats? You got true over my hand just now? Thank you. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. So seeking social interactions again as opposed to food. Rubbing that tail up against me. She's behind me. Good girl, you're okay, Lucky. So she's moved away a little bit. Good girl. What was that? Come here, Lucky. Oh, good girl. Good scratch. So that scratch is a way of alleviating some of that stress that just happened from that big boom. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Moving back towards the windows, seeking social rewards as opposed to food. Good shake off. Good job, little one. And now food has value. Some value, not too much. Social rewards are more important. That's kind of what that's telling me is I want to make sure that I'm okay, and that's more valuable than food right now. I don't want to force food if she's seeking social affection or social support, because that can actually make the food feel less valuable. So if she's seeking support, I'll offer support. And that can be verbal praise, like you've been hearing. It can be affection, like she's been requesting. Any of those things are fine. So I can offer affection. No? Okay. Good girl, Lucky. Look at you. You're such a brave girl. Such a brave girl. Good job, little one. You want some treats? So because she's up there, I'm going to offer treats again. Good girl. Yeah, that's my dad. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, Lucky. Good girl. Good girl, Lucky. Look at you. Good girl. You're so brave. Yeah, good job, little one. And now we are playing on the table. So I'm going to assume we're feeling pretty good. We're feeling pretty comfortable. I'm going to go ahead and end our session.